The diseases are exclusively for Home Department of Gov of Assam, looking after law and order in district and general administration in district. He can never hold additional sorts of secretary posts in any department of any ministry Gov of Assam. It is absurd that deceased are given additional sorts of secretary rank under Bodoland Welfare Ministry Gov of Assam. As deceased, they are not under BTC 6 schedule administration. Also as additional sorts of BTC secretary, he is not under BTC administration but under Bodoland Welfare Ministry Gov of Assam. This is clever takeover of 6 schedule administration through the Ministry of Bodoland Welfare Department of Gov of Assam and violations of BTC 6 Schedule Act 2003 and in violations of Article 244 bracket 2 of the Constitution of India. The Assam Gov under leadership of Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma is ruling the dictatorially by his whims, not by rule of law. The UPPL partnered UC Brahma, the Bodoland Welfare Ministry under Gov of Assam, how he can allow this takeover of 6 scheduling administration violation the 6 Schedule Act 2003 and violations of Article 244 bracket 2 of the Constitution. He is not administrator of BTC. There is elected body of BTC 6 Schedule administration. Assam Gov cannot interfere in the administration of autonomous 6 Schedule administration. Bodoland Welfare Ministry has to facilitate to get sufficient number of secretaries for BTC administration, not to provide additional search of secretary having additional search under him. Hemanta Biswa Sarma Gov befool the tribal people and tribal minister. Tribal minister is either intellectually exploited and willingly agreed for his personal interest to keep power and position intact. The idea of the creating Bodoland Welfare Department without word of tribal welfare was indicator that the Bodoland is going to be general administration, no more 6 schedule tribal area administration. The series of subsequently entered tribal order notification revealed the real motive of BJP Gov to turn BTC 6 schedule administration to the general administration under the Gov of Assam. Tribal political rights, land rights, cultural rights, and linguistic rights and religious belief rights are not safe under this Gov. So, no tribal people can accept this state Gov arbitrary, dictatorial, extra-constitutional order. All tribal people should come out with a strong resistance against the anti-tribal notification and order of Assam Gov. The APSU and CC to us compromising the approaching will not serve any purpose. It should be found in installing the rule of law constitutionally. BJSM condemned the Gov anti-tribal move and appealed to roll back and repeal unconstitutional order of Department of Personnel Gov of Assam, giving this additional search of secretary of BTC under Department of Bodoland Welfare Gov of Assam. Because DCs are not under BTC 6 schedule administration and additional search of secretary also not under the BTC 6 scheduling administration but under Ministry of Bodoland Welfare of Gov of Assam. This is directly take over the 6 schedule administration, ignoring the BTC secretariat and the total destruction of 6 schedule administration autonomy in utter disregard of the 6 schedule administration. दा गासै बर'फ्रा बा ट्राइबेलफ्रा बेखौ बुजिनायनि गोनांथि दं। आसाम सरकारा वेलफेयार अफ फ्लिन्ट ट्राइब एन्ड बेकवार्ड क्लासेस WPT NBC बिफानखौ दाननानै BTC आव बावैसो सिगां वेलफेयार अफ बड'लेण्ड डिपार्टमेन्ट मुंनि मोनसे गोदान बिफान दानानै होदों। बे वेलफेयार अफ बड'लेण्ड डिपार्टमेन्ट मुंनि गोदान बिफानखौ नायनो सामलायनो थाखाय रायजो बेंगिरि आरो आसाम सरकारा बिटिसिनि मोनब्रै जिल्लाफोरनि जिल्ला बेंगिरिफोरनो समबारखालि बिबान गथायो एबा मिथिसार बिलाइनि गेजेरजों मोनथियो। गासैबो खामानिखौ आसाम सरकारनि डिपुटि कमिशनार थामहिनबा डिसिआनो थोंजोङै सामलायगोन। अब्ला बिटिसिनि इएम एमसिएलए बिथांमोना माखौ मावगोन होननानै रायजो राजाफोरनि गोसोआव सोंलु बेरखांदों। फारसेथिं मोन 16 डिपार्टमेन्टनि पावार एन्ड फांसनफोरखौ ट्रेन्सफार खालामना आसाम सरकारा लांखांबाय। जों बेखौनो बुजिनो हायोदि लासै लासै बिटिसिखौ बुहुमनि मान सावगारिनिफ्राय होखोमोरसिगोन। अना बर'फोरनि बिटिसिखौ सिफायनो डिमान्ड आरो आन्दलन खालामनाया लासै लासैनो जाफुंसार जाहैनो हासिगौ। बिनि थाखायनो गासै बर' रायजोफ्रा सांग्रां जानानै बेखौ होबथानो नाजायोब्ला सानसे जोंनि बिटिसिआ मालायनि आखायाव थांसिगोना दा रोखा जाबाय। बिटिआर एकर्डआ आलादा रायजो बड'लेण्ड मोनफुंनायनि मोनसे लामामोनब्ला लासै लासैनो पावार एन्ड फांसनफोरखौ आसाम सरकारनिफ्राय ट्रेन्सफारसो खालाम हरनांगौमोन, नाथाय उल्थाखौसो नुनो मोनबाय। बेनिखायनो गासै रायजो राजाफोरखौ थोंजोङै साननानै खामानि मावाब्ला दैदेनगिरिफोरनि सायावल' फोथायनानै जोङो भट होनानै बिसोरखौ मन्त्रि एमएलए खालामनाल' होबाय थायोब्ला बर'नि राव थुनलाइ हारिमु सोदोमस्रि आरो बिटिसिआ दि थाबैनो गोमोरलांगोन बेयो रोखा आथिखालाव नुजाबाय। मानोना बिटिआर एकर्डनि उल्था मोखां फारसेसो दा बर'फोरनि पावार एन्ड फांसन एबा बिटिसिजों मोनफानाय पावारा दा जोबलांनायनि लामायाव फैगासिनो दं। आरो जायफ्रा आंनि चेनेलाव गोदान बिथांमोनखौ आंनि चेनेलखौ साबस्क्राइब खालामना लानो थाखाय खावलायनाय थाबाय। एसेनोसै, गोजोन्थों, खुलुमबाय।